Yes, please.
This one? Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one. I like that color.
For this cover? Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good cup too. It's pretty big. That's pink.
Okay. This one too?
Yeah, that's pink. Well, what about a blue one? Can you find a blue one? No, that's kind of green. Yeah, it could be blue. I'll take it in that one.